Hello everyone, Styles by Lailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And today we are unloading our cold processed soap. I actually love this mold because of these handy dandy handles on the end. Makes it so much easier to unmold our soap. I'm gonna flip it over and pop it out. Just like so. Damn. Get all these soap crumbs off. Okay, we are about to. Okay, y'all. Let's cut it. Hold on. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Okay, let me give y'all a little minute to do that. I would really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. I'm a fan of smooth ends, y'all. So I just cut that off. While y'all liking the video up, sharing it, and commenting. Okay. Let's do our first cut here and now. Okie dokie, girl. That's kind of cute or whatever. Let's get into it. Make sure y'all got a nice little view. Okay, kind of cute, kind of cute. What y'all think? What y'all think? My swirls is swirling, okay? My swirls is giving swirls. I like it, and it smells so beautiful, y'all. So beautiful. Absolutely love it. And when I tell y'all I was like so emotional making this soap, I was really emotional. And it came out really beautiful, y'all. Would y'all use this soap bar? Huh? Comment down below and let your girl know what you think about our soap. Hello everyone, Styles by Lailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And today I just want to show y'all my new soap bar. This is scented with Botanical Bliss. So it's like a floral blend and it smells amazing, y'all. What do y'all think about it? What do you think about this bar of soap? Make sure y'all comment down below. Let your girl know what you think about my new soap bar. I am actually so excited with it. It came out very beautiful. Very beautiful, y'all. My swirls is swirling as they should. Okay. Hey, y'all. I'm sorry. I was doing a reel. If y'all don't know about the reels, y'all need to inbox me so I can let y'all know. Okay. About them reels. And thank y'all so much, everyone who has ordered from YouTube. I really appreciate it. I was so shocked to see orders from my YouTube. I was like, what? Are you serious right now? Is these orders from YouTube? So thank you, thank you, thank you. And of course, I give samples. And I love all my customers. Y'all are amazing. And y'all give me so much confidence. Not saying I ain't got no confidence, don't get me wrong. But I do appreciate the support and y'all trusting me with y'all bath and body care needs. Like, bath and skin care, that is serious, y'all. You can't just be putting anything on your skin. Can't be using everybody products. So, when I tell y'all I appreciate y'all, I do. I do. Okay. So much. Look at all these soap bars, y'all. Let's start our samples. Gotta move this from right there. Let's go back. These are our sample pieces. I will cut them in half, and they're 1 inch wide sample pieces. Those are perfect for, like, if y'all going on a plane, if you have a guest bathroom, if you want to just give little gifts, those samples are perfect for that. Sorry, I'm just cleaning it up, y'all. And I'm just so proud of myself, y'all. I just came a long way. And I just like to acknowledge my accomplishments. Because, baby girl, it's not easy. It's not easy. You get discouraged. But you got to keep going, though. Can't stop, won't stop, everywhere. Okay. So if you have made it to the end of this video, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Make sure you hit that like button. I know we get caught up in watching the video. Make sure y'all hit that like button for your girl so we can get shared to other platforms, you know. and people can continue to support. Giving your girl that view or whatever. Just making another reel, y'all. Making another reel. Reel. Thank y'all for watching. I am all done cutting up my soap bar. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you would like to purchase a bar of my soap, please come over to StylesbyLailani.com. StylesbyLailani.com, all one word. And get y'all a nice, beautiful bar of soap. Okay, we also have sample bags, which come with 9 pieces of our 1-inch soaps in there. So, see y'all soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.